Good morning. Something like that. Yeah, it was pretty funny to watch. I could post it if you guys really want to see it. But yeah, I'm just chilling here, doing some stretching, and I just finished up 4 mile run, 3 mile, 3 or 4 mile, like somewhere in between those. It was good. I went snowboarding on Sunday and rode really, really hard, so my legs are still a little sore, but they still feel like they can run, which is good. I just wanted to make this little snippet like I always do, just because I have had a really crazy like past 3 weeks, and the term is just coming to an end. I have like 4 major things due all next week because it's the last week of the term. It's just been kind of stressful. Jonah's been a little stressed out, but it's okay because I have the power of my breath and my mind and my body. And running. Running helps a lot, get a lot of stress out. And like screaming as loud as I can into pillows. That helps. But after this term, I'm so excited because as soon as like the Saturday after the term is over, the last Friday of the term, I'm gonna go to Point Loma, right below San Diego. I'm gonna visit my best friend, Sydney Fry, and I'm gonna stay with him for like 11 days and just be in the sunshine, go surfing, hiking, climbing, running, just everything. It's gonna be amazing. It's gonna be really, really rad. Yeah, I'm really, really stoked for that. I'll get out of the the colder weather and get in the sunshine. Whoa. Oops. Yeah, that's a little update on where I'm at. Where I'm at right now is touching my toes. Stretching is the best thing in the world. I love yoga. And these little guys, muscle rollers. Anyway, y'all, I always feel like I don't have enough time to make a YouTube video, but it's easy. Boom, I just made one right now. And it sure doesn't have much content, but it's at least telling you where I am and what I did today so far. It's currently 7:12 a.m. and I'm back from my run. I started the run at like 6:14. To be honest, it was 6:14 because I woke up at 5, got up actually, but then I laid on the floor, kind of like lacklusterly stretched, and was like, whoa, time to start my day. But the run makes me feel a lot better. Currently in the monkey pose, the hyper squat. Yeah. Well, I'm gonna do some yoga and jump in the shower, and then I'm gonna go to my drawing class and have a sweet day drawing, and probably do some prints because I'm making a zine. If you don't know what that is, a zine is like a MAGA zine, but instead of MAGA, it's just a zine. So it's like a MAGA is like a magazine, and a zine is just a little guy. It'll be probably like this big. Probably about this big and like that wide. It's like half a sheet of letter paper folded, or it's like a sheet of letter paper folded in half. Nothing like this big. That's like a mega MAGA. Except for not MAGA like the red hat thing. Not that MAGA. Like magazine. America is already pretty great. I don't think we need to make it any better, Mr. DT. If you don't know who I'm talking about, I'm sorry. But I'm pretty sure you do because you well, that's not actually. I say that you probably live in the United States, but that's probably not true for a lot of people. Yeah, but anyway, Bernie, Bernie 2020. Yeah, I don't want to talk about political stuff right now. I like who I like, and if you don't like them, that is okay. We all have our own preferences. Um, yeah, I'm gonna go shower and yoga. Have a good day, everybody. Mwah. If you want me to post that video of the just let me know. This video was weird, but not really because only I make it weird. Mwah.